Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video, we are going to create this particular part design by using CATIA. Now let me enter into here new part. Let's say okay here. Now first we are need to read this drawing by using only these three views. We are not having any isometric view here. Now as you can see here they have given top view. After making here cut section at center, we are having this cut section view. Then again for this also if we make cut section here, we are getting this section view. So what is meant by this section view means exactly for this part, if we make cut section here, it means just we are making this part into two parts, and this entire front part, if we remove and if you see from this side, whatever that inside part you are able to see, that is the section view of this particular view. Now wherever we will be having here hatching, there cut section of material is present, and wherever it is showing like a blank in white color, that is entire thing a hollow part. I hope you have understood that. Wherever we are having cut section here, there cut section of material is present, it means material made into cut. Then wherever we are having here hollow with white space, those entire part it is a hollow part, means there is no cut section of material there, just it is like a empty solid. Now to create this, as already we know, first we need to start with base. Now as you can see in front view, if you see this base part, we are having here height of 13, but we don't know with which shape we need to add from this front view. But if you see this projected top view, as you can see base we are having this shape. Now let me create this shape first. For that I will go for sketch. As we can see here, material should be added from top to bottom. So we need to create here sketch on this top plane. Just I'll make proper position. Okay. Now just I'll create one rectangle here. Just let me zoom in here for this. So we are having here one rectangle with length of 68 and width of 90. Just I'll create one center point rectangle like this. Then we are having one circle here. Again one connected line is there. As you can see properly, we are having one line tangent to this curvature. Now let me create one line exactly from this rectangle. Just I'll draw one vertical horizontal line. From here we need one curvature. Directly I'll use here tangent arc straight to this, and just I'll join this side like this. Then let me convert this line into horizontal. By using quick trim, just I'll trim these unwanted elements. Then by using constraint, let me apply relation between this point to horizontal axis. We need coincidence, as this point should be straight to this. Then height we are having here 90. Let me give that height of 90. Then width we are having here 68. This width we are having here 68. Then next to that, from center to this center point we are having 60. From this center to center point we are having here 60. Then radius for this curve we are having here, as you can see, outer circle dimension we are having with diameter of 56. Now just let me give dimension for this. We are having diameter of 56 like this. Then exit workbench. This entire fillets and all later we are going to apply with fillet option only. So just I'll make here pad. This base height we are having here 13. Let me give here height of 13 like this. As you can see, just base we have created. Then next to that, this circle I am going to create here. Sorry, this circle dimension we are having here. As you can see, with the same dimension we need to create this base, this outer circle dimension. Now just I'll go here with this circle diameter of 48 exactly here. We can use normal sketch also, because from which view we are able to see circle shape will be circle only. So directly we can go here with normal sketch instead of using position sketch. Then relation between circle to circle we need here concentricity. Diameter for this we are having here 48. let me give dimension for this. We are having here 48. Then next to that, exit workbench, I'll make this pad. So this circle also we need to make pad. Again, one more circle also we are having with a diameter of 48 only. We can give different parameters also. So instead of creating a single sketch, I'll create one more circle here. Dimension for this also we are having here diameter of 48. So this one we are drawing and this one we are drawing. Then exit workbench. I'll make this multi-pad. Why? Because we are having here multiple profiles, and for different profiles we need to give different thickness values. So just instead of using this pad, I'll go here with multi-pad. Now first element, how much height we are having here? As you can see, total we are having here 90 from base. So just I am going to create here 90 minus 13, as we have created sketch profile upon the base. So we need here 90 minus 13. Then again same, this second sketch. From here we are having this height of only 45. So 45 is also from this to this we are having 45 minus 4, you will get from here 41. Again in that from 41 we need to remove this 13. So just we need to give 41 minus 13. So 41 minus 13, like this we can give. Or else this one separately we can create, and this one also separately we can create. Then at a time we are able to get this part also by using second limit. So just for this one I'll go for more second limit. Extra we need here, from here to here already we know this is 13 plus 4 we want, extra 17 we want. Like this we will get that extra part also at a time like this. I hope you have understood this step. Then next to that, exactly for this part we are having here extra dimensions, and here we are having this height of 27. So for that, exactly from this surface we need to create the shape. Now with the diameter of 56, material should be added from here. Then here also it should be tangent to that. So here I'll go for sketch. We need one circle here. Let me draw one circle. Diameter for this we are having here 56. Then relation between existing circle to new circle will apply concentricity. Then this extra part, this curvature also we want. So for that, by using this project 3D element, just I will project this circle. Then by using here by tangent line, I can create one line from tangent to this. Then this line we need opposite side, we'll make mirror with this. By using quick trim, just I will trim this unwanted elements. So this part already we are having, so we are adding material only on this side. Exit workbench. With that shape we need to make a pad here. As you can see, total from this to this we need to create. From base to top we are having 79. Already we have created up to this 45. So directly I can give here 79 minus 45, like this. Properly we will get that shape. Then again upon that, as you can see, extra we are having this one. So this should be made only 27. Let me edit this. We need this pad of only 27. Again here we'll go for sketch. Just again I'll create one circle. So dimension of 56. We need here a diameter of 56. So this to this we need here concentricity, like this. As else we can give coincidence also. Then again this extra material should be, so as we know, total 79 minus this entire thing we need to remove here. So 79 minus 45 you will get 34. Again in that 34 we need to make minus of 27. So just I'll make it here 34 minus 27. So that little part we will get here extra. Then all addition of material done. Next we will go for removal of material. As you can see, exactly if we make here cut section, here material is removed with height of 12 mm from height of 48.5. It means we need to create one sketch at height of 48.5. So this removal of cut material is created with this cut section view. As you can see, one more two curvature profiles are there, which is having radius of 18 and radius of 21. It should be starting from exactly at a distance of 48.5. Now let me create one plane. Why? Because we are not able to create one sketch at the distance. 48.5 is from this base. So from this base, reverse direction, height we need here 48.5. On this plane, I'll use position sketch. To make proper position, I'll use their swap and reverse horizontal. Let me draw here two circles. One circle here and one more circle here. Relation between this circle to this circle, we need same center point concentricity. Dimension for this circle we are having radius of 21. Let me give radius of 21. For this circle we are having radius of 18. Just I'll give radius of 18. Then by using bitangent line, I'll create one tangent line between these two. Same line we want opposite. We'll make it here mirror with reference to horizontal. By using quick trim, we will trim these unwanted elements. Then exit workbench. We need to make here pocket with this height of 12 mm. So I will go here with pocket in reverse direction upside with height of 12 like this. So inside it will be blank. Later I'll show you by using section view. So this reference plane, mouse right click, I will hide that. Then this extra part we are having here with inclined line with inclination of 20 degrees, which is having width of 12 mm exactly at center. So we need to create exactly at center. We can go for sketch on this front plane. Just I'll enter into sketch here. We are having one inclined line like this. By using constraint, this point should exactly start from this point. We'll make it coincidence. Then this inclination we are having here, this vertical line to inclined line like this, we are having inclination of 20 degrees. Then whenever we are having this cylinder part, so already we are having curvature here. If we make properly at end, material won't apply because of this curvature. So while creating these profiles, extra line we need to keep inside. So now let me give, as already we know, dimension for this we are having 48. Just I'll give dimension from this to this 48 by 2 to make that proper sharp edge. Then because of sharp edge, we are not able to add material like this because of this curvature part. So while creating these shapes, just we'll create some extra line to make material inside like this, and just blindly we can give dimension for this some 5 mm or something. Then exit workbench. With this open profile, we want to add material with thickness of 12. We can go here with one option called stiffener. We need here width of 12 mm like this. As you can see, still we are having here gap here. So only while creating these curvatures, when we are having these surfaces, we need to make it proper orientation. Now let me adjust this only. Just I will delete that and I'll make it here some little 20 like that. That extra profile will be inside. Then proper shape we will get here. No extra material will be added. Then next we will go for dress up features. So all fillets we are having here with radius of 9 mm for this 4 edges. Just I will go for fillet for this 4. Let me apply here for this 4 edges. We are having here radius of 9 like this. Then for this edges we are having radius of 4. So only this edge and the sharp edge we are having radius of 4. Then next to that, as you can see, upside we are not having any fillets here. Then directly we can go for holes. Now let me create this center hole which is having diameter of 32 up to next one hole we want center point of this exactly. So we'll create some outer curve and we'll click on this face. diameter 32, depth we need up to last. Let's say okay. Then next to that, we are having here counter bore. Counter bore diameter is 38. So just I will create one hole exactly center of this. We need here normal hole diameter of 27. Normal hole diameter of 27. Depth up to last. Type we need here counter bore. Counter bore diameter we are having here 38. Then counter bore depth we need to give up to here. So this is 12 mm extra, and extra this also we need to provide. So let me give here dimension of here. As you can see, extra already we know this is from 6 or 7 mm it's there. We can give blindly little more. Now this depth I'll give somewhat extra like this up to there. Then I'll go for preview. I'll say okay. Properly that material will be removed. Then last we are having here 4 holes with a diameter of 8, exactly center of that. Again I'll go here with hole. I'll click on this outer curve from this face. Diameter we are having here 8. Let me keep it simple hole. In extension, diameter is 8. Depth up to next. Done. By using this original hole, we are able to create these 4 holes by using linear pattern or this rectangular pattern. Now, first direction we want this side. Distance from this to this we are having here 72. Let me give this gap of 72. Then I'll go for second direction. We need 2. Distance we are having from hole to hole 50. Let me give dimension here 50. In this direction we need reverse. Let's say okay. Like this we are able to create this particular model. Now let me keep it here top view. We can check the shape. Then next I'll keep it here front view. We need here cut section view with reference to this front plane. We can see that cut section properly, this shape. Then next we are having right side view, that also should be cut section with reference to the side plane like this. So we need it exactly at center. So we need to adjust this. Let me adjust this cutting plane by using this scale. Just I will drag like this. So this is the shape we are having here. Why? Because cut section line is passing exactly at the center part. Exactly at the center part. Now still let me move this like this. Exactly we need to make here, and we will make it here right side view. You can check the shape like this. So let me make it here isometric. Just turn off this option. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box.